Hey guys, welcome to another roof cleaning video. We're here today in Headstone Lane doing this big corner property. It's a large corner house where we've got Aaron and a mystery man transforming the roof here. Guys are going to be using the telescopic pole from the cherry picker basket. Hopefully the cherry picker can reach all the way around, but we've also got the scaffolding tower if needed. So there's Aaron up in the cherry picker, doing a cracking job. As usual, this man is a workhorse. You can see the transformation of the colour already. All that moss coming off the roof. A lot of moss and a lot of organic growth growing on those orange tiles. So Aaron has mastered the technique on the pole. Got to have strong shoulders to be using that pole all day. So years and years of dirt being washed off the roof. Few shots of the drone. Up, up, up and away. Quicker than scaffolding, safer than ladders. That's our cherry picker, MZ250. Man on the ground doing all the cleanup. Careful, Aaron. Careful there. You're just rinsing down. Like, great control of the pole. Gutters at the end of the job as well. Cherry pick is fully extended. Gutters definitely filled up with must there. Making sure to get all the angles of the tiles, so underneath the tiles as well. To take shape already. Look at that transformation. Still got the side left to do. Spray in the sunshine. See the difference there. What a difference it's making. Really transforming this home. Picker fully extended from the left of the property, reaching all the way over to the right. Got a nice 15-metre outreach on the MZ250. Sure to wash the gutters out as he goes. Windows and around the solar panels. Around the chimney. Using an Aquila machine today. All that weight was on the roof, and the transformation is starting to take shape. Look at that, dirty to clean. So therapeutic. Look at the difference of that roof. Years and years of dirt washed off the roof. So it's important to point out, we can already see where there's a few breakages on the tiles and a few missing tiles. The client was aware of damage, existing damage to the roof. They'd actually called our friends over at Hudson to come and do a roof survey, and they suggested to get it cleaned so we could see exactly what was wrong with it before they can go and do their full professional report. enjoyed our video, guys. Once again, if you're liking our content, please hit that like button and subscribe.